Check this out. We have a HP laptop with not charging issue. Since the battery has been already replaced, let's open it up. After testing some requirements of this laptop, we got a faulty component. It is the first MOSFET of the voltage section and is found short. This is the reason why the laptop is not charging. Let's remove the MOSFET with hot air gun and some paste. It requires high level of knowledge and experience to diagnose the problems in the motherboard. Now we replace the faulty MOSFET with the new one. It requires precise amount of heat and solder paste to place the MOSFET properly in the motherboard. Then we clean the motherboard by using isopropyl alcohol and some tissue paper. And it's time to check the results. There you go, the laptop is successfully repaired.